Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is freedom. Break every chain, every thought, every limited capacity, anything that's limiting you from your maximum potential, telling you you're not good enough, not strong enough, you're not wise enough, this is not your moment, maybe next year, maybe another moment, maybe if I wait a little longer, let me get prepared a little bit. No, break every single chain. This is your season to have freedom, fly, grow your abundance, grow your peace, grow your land, grow your blessings and manifestations. Do not limit spirit. Just because you're in a rut, just because you're in a difficult moment, does not mean that you have to live and identify with a difficult life. I realize my wounds create doubt, resentment, and guilt. So I work to free myself from darkness. I cast off negative thoughts by finding my peace in my heart. And I discover that I am a light, a being of light, a light worker. I need you. The world needs you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.